Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're learning the touch command in Linux, along with all its useful flags. Let's see how to create, update, and manage file timestamps like a pro. The touch command is used to create empty files or update the access and modification times of existing files. Type touch space file1.txt. Press Enter, and a new file is created instantly. You can also create multiple files at once. Type touch space file1.txt space file2.txt space file3.txt. This creates all three files together in a single command. Now let's explore its flags. -a updates only the access time of file. Example, touch space -a space file1.txt. Only the time you last read the file changes. -m updates only the modification time. Type touch space -m space file1.txt. It refreshes the modified time without changing content. -c or double dash. No dash create prevents creating a new file. Example, touch space -c space test.txt. If the file doesn't exist, nothing happens. -d or double dash date lets you set a specific date and time. Example, touch space -d space quote 2025-10-14 space 12:00 quote space file.txt. This sets the file's time to October 14th, 2025 at 12 o'clock noon. -t allows a numeric timestamp. Example, touch space -t space 202-510-14120 space file.txt. That means year 2025, month 10, day 14, hour 12, minute 0. -r or double dash reference copies timestamps from another file. Example, touch space -r space old txt space new.txt. Now new.txt has the same time as old.txt. Double dash, no dash to reference is used for symbolic links. It changes the link's timestamp itself, not the file it points to. Double dash time equals word specifies which time to change. Example, touch space double dash time equals a time space file.txt. This changes only the access time. To check help or version information, use touch space double dash help and touch space double dash version. Quick recap. -a access time. -m modification time. -c no new file. -d and -t set custom time. -r copy from another file. Double dash no dash to reference for links. Double dash time equals word. Choose which time to change. And that's everything about the touch command and all its flags. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Linux command tutorials. See you in the next video.